10 cents a day. That's all it takes. And in a few weeks, we're going to be 4x, like I said. Now we've touched $1.40, and I think we're going to go to $1.50, maybe even slightly higher by the end of today. Today meaning wherever you are. It's only a matter of time before people start to wake up around the world and realize where XRP is going. Now, the problem with things creeping up slowly and being in the midst of it is that sometimes you don't realize what's happening. Okay, so 10 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents looks like small increments because you've forgotten that 10 cents was actually 25%, at times even 30% of what the price was maybe just even a month and a half ago. And now that we're over $1, the increments look like lower percentages. But when you zoom out and look at a weekly candle or even a daily candle, then you realize that we've printed a God candle in the last month. Now, this is going to go on for the foreseeable future. Who knows, there might be slight ups and downs in the way. But at the end of the day, what we're going to experience is a God candle, and it's going to take us to all-time highs at some point, probably next year. Now, this year is wrapping up really quickly, and 2025 is when I think the giant runs are going to actually start. Again, it's important to realize that we haven't even started yet when it comes to XRP. What we're saying now are just slight, FOMO input from people who are realizing that, hey, this thing has a future. When the real FOMO kicks in, we're going to see absolutely insane candles, guys. This is absolutely nothing. Having said that, the millionaires were actually made last year and earlier this year when the price of XRP was relatively low. Think about this for a second. Let's say today you put $10,000 into XRP and then it does 100x. Okay, $10,000 does 100x. Now you've got $1 million. And now with the XRP prospects over the coming years, that's something that's very likely. However, if you had put the same $10,000 in XRP at the beginning of this year or at the end of last year, then that same 100x will effectively be 400x. You'll be at $4 million. You see what the differences are? Now, let's say it doesn't do 100x, it does a 50x. So now you're at $500,000. Had you put in the money earlier, you'd be at $2 million. So it is when the prices are minute, when the upside is very large, this is when the millionaires are made, which is why you hear the expression that millionaires are made in the bear market, not in the bull market. Having said that, we still have plenty of opportunity to grow. I think that people, again, who acquired XRP at low prices are already in massive profit, except, of course, you bought at the last all-time highs. So you're still waiting for your, equity to break even effectively. But of course, if you had been clever and dollar cost average down, then you'd have bought your cost down and now you probably are in profit too. Personally, I am in profit and a lot of the XRP army are also in profit. I am after the double digits and the double digits are coming. And I think more and more people are starting to believe this now, seeing how we're starting to move. And this is the other thing. Belief is another reason why a token would pump. If you learn anything from the way memes behave, belief is what makes them pump, right? Especially those ones that have no fundamentals like Dogecoin. It is the belief that the acronym Doge stands for Department of Government Efficiency and that they have something to do with the original Doge. And because of its association with a messiah figure like Elon Musk, this is why the token is pumped so hard. In actuality, the token has done absolutely nothing from its inception in terms of building fundamentals. All that is behind that token is hot air and faith, right? And that's all you need sometimes to pump a token. Now we know that the XRP token has fundamentals and it now has a little bit of faith. So a combination of the two is going to take XRP to places that you won't believe. So not financial advice, do your own research, but I'm expecting some fireworks in the next coming weeks. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.